Hello, today we will guide you through how to connect Gmail to Claude AI. To get started, open Claude and go to the New Chat page. This is a good starting point because it places you inside the main workspace where you can access the settings and tools needed to connect external services. Once the page has loaded, take a moment to make sure you're signed in to the correct Claude account before continuing. From there, look to the left-hand navigation panel and click on Customize. This section is where Claude lets you manage personal settings, features, and integrations. If you don't immediately notice it, scan the menu carefully, since the layout can vary slightly depending on updates to the interface. Inside Customize, click on Connectors. Connectors are the tools that allow Claude to link with other platforms and services, such as email providers. Opening this area will bring you to the part of Claude where available connections can be managed. Next, look to the top right area of the Connectors page and click Add. This begins the process of adding a new service. After that, select Browse Connectors. This opens a library of available integrations you can connect to Claude. In the search area, type Gmail. Entering the name directly is the quickest way to find the right connector, especially if there are several options listed. Once Gmail appears in the results, click on Gmail to open its connector page. Now click Connect. At this point, Claude will begin the authorization process and guide you through the on-screen procedure. This usually involves signing into your Google account if you aren't already signed in, then reviewing the permissions being requested. Read those prompts carefully so you understand what access is being granted. If you use multiple Google accounts, be sure to choose the Gmail account you actually want connected. As you complete the prompts, follow each screen until the setup is finished. Depending on your browser settings, you may see a pop-up or a redirect window, so make sure your browser allows that process to continue smoothly. If the connection doesn't appear right away, give it a few moments to sync and refresh the page if needed. Once the process is complete, your Gmail connector should be available inside Claude. That's all it takes to connect Gmail to Claude AI.